Hey, look, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. For real, it's been a while since myself personally, have went after a Doernbecher or anything like that. I just feel like the last couple of releases, the past few years, it really ain't been many that I like. The last pair I really think I've messed with was the Vomero 5s that they dropped, them orange joints. Them things was fire. But these 17s, hey, these 17s gonna be a problem, bruh. I feel like, especially the fact that we seeing a 17 and we're shedding some light on that, and that combined with the greatness of letting these kids actually be able to create something from a 17. I feel like we need to see more of that. I feel like we need to see more of that, more of the silhouettes outside of a 13. You feel what I'm saying? Or a 14 that we should see in the Doernbecher line. But nonetheless, DTLR had these things. It was a couple of raffles, and you see on the screen, it's only gonna be 10K pair on the sneakers app. I think this is gonna be the first sneaker of 2026 that if you're trying to resell and you want to make a little bit of bread, this is a sneaker to go after. Let's see whether these shoes are gonna sit or sell out. Let's talk about it. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. I am with my son, going to pick up my daughter, and I figured, you know what, let's talk about this. You feel what I'm saying? But before we get off into a discussion about these sneakers, make sure you guys go and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, if you are not familiar with the whole Doernbecher line, this is a line that Jordan do where they give kids with disabilities and stuff like that an opportunity to show their creative spunk. You feel what I'm saying? And they give them certain silhouettes. And the Jordan 17 was given to this kid named Zach, and he likes bikes and mechanical stuff and stuff like that. So it has a lot of different things that you guys can see on the screen. I'm pausing the video, you can read all about it, you know what I'm saying? But it has a lot of things that's gonna be tailored to what he likes, the hobbies and habits that he has, right? And I love this concept. I love it. Y'all know my son has autism, so this would be something super dope that if he had an opportunity to do, I would absolutely love it. But I would have to make sure I stay in my lane and not want to get my creative juices flowing and try to get off into creating a sneaker there for myself and not for him. You know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, this sneaker is going to be dropping tomorrow, Saturday, January 17th. And out of all of the sneakers, I feel like this is the best one. I feel like this is the most unique one. And like I said in the intro, it being a Jordan 17 is just crazy, and I love it. I love to see something different, a different silhouette in the Jordan line. Now, this sneaker right now, resale-wise, is going crazy. It's like right around $500, $600 my size, which is the 1.5, 12. Some sales have been in the $700 price range, which is crazy. But I don't think it's gonna stay around that price range, but after all the shoes have dropped, but I do think it's gonna have some resale value. But stock for this sneaker on the sneakers app is $10,000. I've heard it's even less than that. I've heard $9,000. You know what I'm saying? So given that stock number and the demand for this sneaker, I do feel like this sneaker will hold some resale value if you're able to get your hands on it. And it'll be a nice shoe to have just off aesthetically to have in your collection, period. You know what I'm saying? As far as the places that had this sneaker, I was shocked. I learned this on the live. The DTLR did have this sneaker. It was a raffle. Snipes had this sneaker. It was their new raffle system as well. And then also some DSGs had them. Now, I don't know the ones or whatever, but here in my area in Florida, the Snipes and DTLR did have these things. I don't know if it's going to be anything left over, first come, first serve, or anything like that. But I will say this, for the most part, the raffles was your best shot, and now since the raffles are over with, I think the only thing you're gonna have is going to be the sneakers app. That is gonna be your best bet when it comes to this sneaker. Copping this sneaker tomorrow. Now, when it comes to the other ones it's gonna be releasing, this one right here was the one that I did like myself personally outside of the 17, and it's gonna be this Air Max, man. I really like this one, but I wish like they would have I wish they would have came out with two pairs. You know what I'm saying? I don't like the mix match concept with this sneaker, but I do like both of these sneakers, but I feel like they should have been individual sneakers on their own. You know what I'm saying? But that's just my opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But let me know if y'all gonna be going for this sneaker, if you've already reserved it or anything like that. I know a lot of people within the Discord is already looking for this shoe. They want this sneaker. They want to add it to their collection. And like I said, the buzz around the Doernbecher right now is I love to see this, man. You know what I'm saying? But I think my man Zach hit out a banger on this one. But y'all comment down below. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these 17s, just bake. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.